Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I will teaching you how to fix Coinbase account restricted, okay? So it's important to say Coinbase is basically a bank of crypto, okay? So to fix some bug or some account restriction, it's very serious problem, okay? You just can enter in your account and do some things to unrestrict your Coinbase account, okay? You need to enter in the Coinbase support, okay? Enter in contact with Coinbase support to solve that problem because it's very serious problem. But to do that is very simple. The first thing you need to do is just go to your searching bar, okay, in your browser. And after that, you just can type how I can contact Coinbase support, and here you see the number of the Coinbase support, and you also can go to the official site of Coinbase support, and here you see the international number, the UK number, Ireland, India, and you also can send an email, okay, and you see other things here to help you to enter in contact with Coinbase support to solve that problem, okay. That's the security way to solve your problem, okay. So I hope I can help you with that information. If you like, don't forget to subscribe me our channel and hit the like button. See ya.